HOA, Karen thought she ran the entire neighborhood. For years, she policed everyone's lawns, trash bins, and paint colors like a self-appointed dictator. But when I decided to build a wheelchair ramp for my disabled daughter, she claimed it violated community aesthetics. I ignored her petty warnings. A week later, I woke at 2 a.m. to the smell of smoke and the roar of flames. My house was on fire. My daughter and I barely escaped with our lives, coughing and terrified as firefighters fought the blaze. The cause? Arson. The police investigation quickly uncovered security camera footage from a neighbor's house. There she was, HOA Karen herself, pouring gasoline on my porch and lighting the match. Her smug face was illuminated by the fire she set. She was arrested, but the criminal charges were only half the battle. I hired the best attorney in the state and took her to civil court, determined to make her pay for destroying not just my home, but the safety and comfort my daughter desperately needed. In court, Karen tried to play innocent, claiming she was framed and that the video was edited. But my lawyer shredded her lies with irrefutable evidence. The gas can found in her garage with her fingerprints, the security footage synced with timestamp texts she sent me that night. You'll regret crossing me. When the jury saw my daughter's burned wheelchair, charred in the rubble, the room went silent. The verdict was swift and brutal. Guilty in the criminal case, and in the civil trial, she was ordered to pay me $1.2 million in damages, enough to rebuild our home, replace everything we'd lost, and set up a trust for my daughter's future. As the judge banged the gavel, I looked right at Karen, and for the first time, she couldn't hide behind HOA bylaws or smug threats. She sat there pale, humiliated, and utterly powerless. The same woman who once fined neighbors for leaving garden hoses out too long now faced bankruptcy and public shame. I used the settlement to rebuild our house bigger and better than before, with a fortified security system and an even wider wheelchair ramp. One Karen would have hated. And every time I roll my daughter up that ramp, I'm reminded of one thing. You can burn my house to the ground, but in court, I'll burn you harder.